Show you how the Telnet server works. I got my red board wired up. Let's see, config. I have a static IP address because I did not want to deal with the DHCP server. It just makes the problem a lot easier to solve. There's a lot less clutter in the program as well. So let's start a Telnet session. I have one started here, connected to my red board. The three-way handshake happens here. There's a SYN, ACK. And then my terminal, this guy over here, sends out options parameter list. So it's a bunch of options that dictate how the terminal is going to behave. And I go ahead and acknowledge that. I send out my own telnet data saying, hey, I'm not going to do most of that, but I will suppress the go ahead. And the terminal, this terminal over here on my computer, acknowledges that. Now, my main issue is getting the characters from my local terminal into the red board and saving them onto the red board. I'm able to put them character by character, as you can see here. What's happening on this terminal is that I'm replying back each character that I'm being sent. So you can see that over here. This is the last acknowledgement that the terminal sent me before we started exchanging characters. So this is my terminal sending the H character. You can see that here. And this is the red board replying with the H character, which is why you see a second H character here. And it just happens back and forth. This is going to be E, L, L, and O. Now, the main problem with this is when I press enter in my code, I have this conditional that says, if we receive this character, replace the carriage return character with a null terminator, and it enables a flag that says, hey, we received data from Telnet. The biggest problem, though, is saving these characters that I sent into some kind of buffer. I don't know what's going on with that. This is actually weird behavior. Usually it just turns off, but let's go ahead and try to type some more. Yeah, this is where we see really weird behavior on my side. And I think it's just because of the way that I coded the server. You know, eventually I start talking to myself instead of sending data out. But yeah. See, I'm just putting the characters on the screen and saying receive command, but I have another function that's supposed to put this onto the screen. But anyways, it kind of works, and I feel like it's going to work for MQTT, but you know, we'll see.